So guys, I'm again going to play Gangster New Guns, and this is my mobile, not my father's mobile. And I heard that this is a event going for Suri Toyota 1100 RZ, and you know, in my mobile I don't have any of super sports vehicles. Don't think I don't have sports vehicles. Let me show you. See my car collection. And how could we do this? And let's see the winning rage. And guys, see, I have 500 blueprints, and I only need these two 300 and 200 blueprints to get this awesome Suritoru 1100 RZ. And what's this? First of all, go to over this and see. I have the assault rifle king. Just kidding, it's the second best auto assault rifle in this game. It's Bang-O-Matic. Let's get into our Dirt series. Wow, see my Dirt series sound. Till then the energy gets full, let me do a ride with my Dirt series. Oh, awesome speed. Oh, what a powerful car. He just threw that garbage car into the heaven. Just kidding, into the road. Oh no, oh no. What kind of driver I am. Anyways, let me order Dirt series one more time. And guys, I have C-Rug also. Okay, it's near only. I don't need this now. And I have the best sniper rifle, plus I have the best rocket launcher. Where did you go? What? High priest? Why did you give me warning? But now today I'm going to do a very large war. That this game would never expect. Come on! Come on! I hate the police. Now let me do a war. Where are you? And guys, I forgot the main thing. We have finally crossed 60 subscribers. So thank you for your love and support. Keep your love and support this way only, so we could reach one time 60k subscribers. If you give your love and support, love and support like this one, we will reach easily 60k subscribers. This is only 60. We could reach that, but it only needs your support. So subscribe right now. Many of the people have not subscribed my channel. Many of the people have just gone and not subscribed. I not believe it. When I see my first video, it reached 400 subscribers, and that 400 people didn't subscribe. But thank you one more time. I don't need 400 subscribers. I need oh. That's why I hate this road. Okay, now I think my health is full. Okay. Mass murder. I'm the king of murder. Why are those 3-star officers to me? Oh, I think SWAT soldiers have come. No. Wait. Oh no, SWAT soldiers have came. Calling the army. Army is nothing to me. Call. I will kill the army too. Die. I hate army. One thing. I am the gangster. And you know, guys, gangster doesn't die like this way. Gangster kills. Let's get into this super truck and get the hell out of here. No, energy is not enough. Go. New record. Oh my god. New record. Come. Police, scared of me. And that auntie. You are calling that I am calling the army. Call. You call the Black Cat Commandos. I will kill them too. You don't know the power of me. I mean the power of Nerf gamers. The perfectest aimer in the world. Just kidding. Second perfect aimer in the India. I can shoot the targets in with one hand. Oh no. Now I think I need to call this a big gun for this. Hey! How did you try to kill me? Die. Let's get into this and run. And guys, you are thinking that my Dirt series is destroyed. You are wrong, guys. My Dirt series is still alive. New viral TikTok hacks. No virus back. See, no, my Dirt series is alive still. First of all, guys, I need to do something with this ad. Wait, I just noticed something that I'm running from these cops. You tried to kill me. You gone into the heaven. Come. He came into this. No warnings. I have killed all of the units. I think police have lost all of their units, so I think I need to get out. Because police have no more units left to kill me. And that cop also and that military officer also scared and run away. Come, I have the boss of the rocket launcher. Let me show you. Weapons. Expensive. Sinna, I have the best rocket launcher. Come no cops, scared of me. Let me go downside. Now, cops, where are you? Oh, there we go. So many cops are returning to kill me, but they don't know when a true nerfer comes to kill them, they would reach the heaven easily. Come on, I will give you the short way to your heaven. Come. Don't take fight to the boss, otherwise you will be dead. Come on. What you are speaking? Hey, wait. Don't make this. First of all, this is an armored truck, but then also, oh my god. Got my power. I will I will bolt all of you guys. Wait. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come, army. I just again noticed that I'm running from them. Gangster runs, no gangster run. I'm alone enough for you guys. No would any of the gangsters wouldn't beat the army like this badly. Oh no. Hopefully their guns are not for long range. I will fight. Come on. You are unlimited, but I am alone enough for you cheap guys. I'm expensive, not you like you cheap soldiers. In any of the poor cops' life, nobody have beaten like them this way. Rampage is a joke for me. New record. Nice. New record. Okay, my goal is completed. Now the easiest goal, kill them all. Someone is back. Oh. Any of the guy wouldn't beat them like this way when I am beating. Battery is too low. But then also I will finish this cops today. This is my mobile, my choice. Diamonds! No! I think I'm going to run. Oh my god, see my health. But before that, take. Built in a garbage thing. Mighty Dogs 1. Okay, I can be. You cannot catch me into my own mansion. Whoa. 40 diamonds. But before that, I have a lot of diamonds to buy her. And you guys also see how much loot I'm going to get today. I'm just going to loot the things, then I will end the video. What? Garbage truck. Take everything from me. But please give me a nice sports car. Oh wait, there's a jar over here. I think get the ad. When I'm telling them to my genius. When I told them to give me an ad for a jar, they are not giving me ad. And when what happened? Too many files. Go files into the trash. And guys, now I am going to open my new channel in the November 3rd November I'm going to open my channel in which I will launch GTA 5 videos. GTA 5 videos. Wait. Oh hello, let me blow you up with my rocket launcher, or is my Dirt series. This way. Not this. If I had it in my father's mobile, but then also guys, that for this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Wait, see, my rocket launcher went very long. And subscribe for more in which I'll try to unlock this mansion level 2. Then I'll build that swimming pool, and then our mansion is ready. House level 2. I want to build the swimming pool level 2. Let's go to the swimming pool and let's see how much it will take. Where's the option? Where's the option of the swimming pool? Where's the option? What kind of idiot I'm talking to me only, huh, guys, not you. I just forgot that mention level 2 only can update the swimming pool, and I'm coming mention level 1. But don't worry, tomorrow I'll do my whole chance to get this. What? Wait a second. At these situations, my hand goes like this way. In these situations, my hand goes this way. How did this cop car came in? How did this military car came into my house? What did happen? And wait, I see no military into this. What happened? I didn't came out. And the health is like this way. I think it's my car only. Die. Police warnings. Please don't alert me because I am already in my mansion. Wait, I'm thinking that I got it raw message. Let me see. It's a 5-star item, no? No. Okay, guys. That was for this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Like, share, and turn on notifications. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, everybody, and goodbye. 2 rocket launchers only. And guys, help me to reach me 100 subscribers because I want to overtake my rival channel. When I overtake my rival channel, I will tell you what my rival channel is. He has 90 subscribers, more 30 subscribers than me. So guys, I want that all of you will subscribe that subscribe button, touch that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. When you will subscribe the subscription button like this way, then I will easily take my channel and I'll do a party and I will make a GTA 5 video at that day only. So please subscribe if you want GTA 5 videos, and if you want me to cross 100k subscribe. What? 100k? If want to know that how will I get 100 subscribers, and if you want to reach me 100 subscribers, that was for this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Don't leave the subscribe button like this way, and give this video some more views, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, everybody, and goodbye.